Assalamu alaikum dear students, how are you everyone? Hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. This is Sabrina Jahan Bhuiyan, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Dear students, today I am going to take an English sandpaper class for the students of class 9. And dear students, look here, today's topic is Verbs, Part 2. Today I am going to discuss, and this is our lecture number 9 and SW number 3. Okay dear students, let's start our today's topic. Look dear students, in our chapter Verbs Part 2, here we will get the discussion of gerund. Okay, look, what is gerund dear students? At first we have to know, dear students, about gerund. We can say that when you use a verb in place of noun, that is called gerund. So what I have said now, when you use a verb in place of noun, that is called what? Gerund. If I am going to show you some examples, then you can understand it easily, I think. Look here dear students. A. It was a nice day. Anna and her mother wanted to go out and enjoy the lovely weather. Anna wanted to go hiking in the woods, or she said they could go swimming or fishing in the lake, but finally they went sailing. Okay, look here, they were in the middle of the lake when the wind started to blow. The boat rocked from side to side because of the high waves. Anna was happy and started singing in a loud and clear voice. But Anna's mother didn't want to get wet and turned the boat around. Okay, look dear students, you will get another things here in this passage, but now I am going to this grammar point here. I am going to discuss about this topic. Look here, look at the words in the bold in the story above. Look here, wanted to go out, wanted to go hiking, swimming or fishing, go swimming or fishing. Okay, went sailing. Look, these bold words in this story. Notice that when we want to use two verbs together, we use either to plus infinitive or the ing form of the main verb in the sentence. Okay dear students, so notice when we want to use two verbs together, we use either to plus infinitive or the ing form of the main verb in the sentence. Some verbs can be followed by either form, but some can only be used with the ing form. Okay, verbs that can be followed only by verb along with ing form. Look, finish here. I am going to say a sentence. I have finished writing the letter. Do you want to read it? Look, deny. About deny, I am going to say a sentence. The boy denied stealing the rare coins. Okay, risk. You should not risk going there at night. Look dear students, here verbs like start, like or love can be useful with the ing form as well as with the to plus infinitive without any change in meaning. Okay, I am going to read this once again. Verbs like start, like or love can be used with the ing form as well as with the to plus infinitive without any change in meaning. For example, I love to read poetry. I love reading poetry. Look dear students, here it is important to understand that although some verbs can be used with both the ing form and the to plus infinitive, the choice may lead to a change of meaning of the sentence. For example, do you remember leaving a message for her? Look here in bracket, you already left a message for her. Remember to leave a message for her. Okay, now or in the future. Then another sentence, look here. Farooq forgot paying the electricity bill. He forgot that he paid the bill. Farooq forgot to pay the bill. He did not pay the bill. Look here dear students. Now I am going to read then another things. Look here. ing form of verb, participle form. Okay, look here. Sagar said, what? Do you like cricket, my friend? Then Lavlu said, oh sure, I am such a big fan of cricket. Okay dear students, then another example, look here. Mitul said, hi, ever complaining girl, what's up today? Kanta said, no kidding please, I am not in a good mood now. Okay, dear students, look here. Grammar focus. As indicated above, a particular can be made by adding ing to a verb. However, it becomes a participle only when adding ing to the verb makes it functions as an adjective. Look here, fighting batsman, complaining guard. So here dear students, what type of batsman? Fighting batsman. Okay, then look, fighting works as an adjective here. Okay, fighting works as an adjective here. Look, then complaining guard. What type of guard? A complaining guard. Complaining works as an adjective here. Okay. Look dear students, look here, that's all about our today's topic. You will get activity 1, you will get as your SW work, and you have to submit this on next Saturday. This activity 1, you have to read this properly, then you have to do this. Okay, the first one has done for you, so you have to read this properly and you have to do this and submit it on next Saturday. So dear students, I think that's all about our today's topic. Keep practicing this at your home. See you again in the next class. Allah Hafiz.